Hi, I'm Linda with Tax TV, here with some information about tip income. First and most importantly, tips are generally considered as wages and subject to tax. Employers are required to withhold federal income taxes, pay Social Security taxes, and pay federal unemployment tax on cash tips of $20 or more earned by an employee in a calendar month. Each state may also require employers to withhold taxes and pay unemployment. Employees should report all tips of cash, check, and debit and credit cards received. Employees can use IRS Form 4070A for daily reports or Form 4070 for monthly reports, or an electronic tip reporting system that meets the requirements specified by the IRS. The accuracy of these reports is not required to be verified by the employer, and as such, the employer is only liable for the employer's portion of Social Security taxes based on any undeclared amounts, and the employee is responsible for their portion. Normally, the employer is responsible for both the employee and the employer portion. Food and beverage establishments are offered a tax credit attributable to reported tips in excess of those that are treated as wages for purposes of fulfilling the federal minimum wage laws. For tip earners, the federal minimum wage laws require that wages plus tips combined satisfy the minimum wage. To claim the credit, employers should complete IRS Form 8846 with their tax return. Employers must also ensure that the total tip income reported during any pay period is, at a minimum, equal to 8% of total receipts for food and beverage sales for that period. If tips reported are less than that, employers must allocate the difference between the actual tip income reported and 8% of gross receipts. Employers may use the gross receipt method, the hours worked method, or the good faith agreement method for allocating tip income. Employers can request a lower rate for tip allocation by submitting an application to the IRS. For more information about the employment tax requirements and other types of income, check out taxtv.com.